what's on top of mind for our customers, our clients, stockholders, and your organization and your employee? Really, it's that everyone is going digital. Everybody's trying to be agile and provide that great customer experience and employee experience to everyone. And they want to do this quickly. So when you think about the Power Platform, it's this rapid application development platform that enables the regular organizational employee, or what we now call this new class of developer called the citizen developer. The citizen developer normally doesn't have these coding abilities. They have limited coding abilities, but they have the ability to build solutions faster now with the Power Platform. And they're able to do it in a user experience that feels like Excel and PowerPoint that they're used to using on a daily basis. And the Power Platform is really bigger than the sum of its parts. Power Apps, along with Power Automate, Power BI, Power Virtual Agents, and Power Pages, make up the Power Platform, which is that end-to-end platform for low-code and rapid development for Microsoft 365, Dynamics, Azure, or your own custom app development or customization as well.